Hey y'all, today we're going to be learning the really fun dance, one of my favorites, Booze Cruise, and it goes to the song Booze Cruise. And this one is a two-wall dance, so I typically try to tell people whatever way that you can actually travel is going to be the best because there's a lot of traveling. I'm not going to be able to travel a lot back and forth, but it helps to keep it in the right dynamics for all of y'all watching. So make sure that you put this on replay as many times as you need and get your body used to it, get your mind used to it, and then once you get it down, go find that demo to do it with me. It's a really fun dance. So this dance starts off with some heels. The pattern is going to go right, left, right hook, and then repeat on the left foot. Left, right, left hook. So we're going to go right and left and right hook, heel, and left and right and left hook step. That step is going to help us in going into our next move. So that is necessary. After that hook, you're going to step forward, rock forward onto that left foot because we're going to take this right to actually rock forward afterwards. That's just a heads up. Right now we're just hitting it at this step. So doing that 8 count, 2 counts, it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So from here, our weight is on our left foot. We're going to use this right foot to rock forward. And then we're going to rock back and go over our right shoulder for a little triple step or skip. This one is where I like to travel a lot backwards. It makes it really fun. But if you're in a small bar or don't have the room, you can do just a little skip. And this next part is where it gets a little more difficult. When we skip, we went over our right shoulder. But for this turn, we are going over our left shoulder. So we're going in this direction, but we're going to turn this way. The easiest way to do those turns, because you only have 2 steps to do them all the way back to our original wall, are to go all the way to that wall and then all the way back around. It's very quick, and you're probably going to have to stay on your tippy toes to get those turns well. So it's skip and turn, turn. And then from here, you're going to do a coaster heel. So you're going to go left, right, heel. So that is one of the most awkward moves because you don't usually do coaster steps like that, but you'll want it like that for the move after. So, after it's going to be left, right, heel. So, putting that to counts, we just put our weight on our left foot. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, doing that from the top, that's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, triple, 3 and 4, around, 5, 6, coaster, 7 and 8. From here, we're going to do a little like teeter-totter thing to where we like hop forward and tap our toe, and then we're going to go back onto our right foot and tap our heel. So we're going to go and tap, then we're going to go and switch. So that's going to be pretty quick. It's going to be and tap and switch. So that switch is going to start you off for your first 2 steps, taking 2 steps right, left. So that's going to be and tap and heel and walk, walk. So that heel is super necessary to go and tap and heel and walk, walk. From here, we're going to do an out, out, and in. Since we just landed on our left foot with that walk, we're going to go out, out, and in. And that'll get your weight right for the next one, which will be another walk, walk. But that's going into the next 8 count, so we're not going to do that right now. So that's going to be from the coaster step, coaster heel. With counts, it's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. I lied. Those 2 steps are part of the 8 count. So 2 steps after the out, out, and in also. So do, out, out, in, walk, walk. So putting it all to counts, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. So doing that from the top, we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, round, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8, tap, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do another out, out, and in, just like our other one. So we're going to go out, out, and in. From here, our weight goes into our left foot after that last in. And we're going to take our right foot to step and pivot to our back wall. So we're going to step right, pivot over our left shoulder to the back wall. From here, we're going to do another skip step like at the beginning, or triple to go forward. So up to speed, that's going to be step, pivot, triple. From here, we're going to do a full turn over our right shoulder. So remember, I am opposite of you right now. So you'll want to make sure that your full spin is over your right shoulder. So you're going to go quick around and make sure you land on your left foot. The easiest way to do this is to make sure that when you're doing that spin, you're taking 3 quick steps in that circle. So you're going left, right, left, because you're going to start the dance again on your right foot. So that part 2 counts is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So doing the whole thing 2 counts, that's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, around, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, walk, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, pivot, 3, 4, 5, and 6, around, 7, 8. Alright, so that is the dance for Booze Cruise. Really fun song, really fun dance. Do this as many times as you need to get the hang of it. Get your body used to it. There's some really different moves in there that I had to do over and over again to get used to the dance. So be patient with yourself. Have fun. And if you liked this, let me know in the comments and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can see any new line dances that I post that you can have fun with too. So once you have it all down, you have it all together, find that demo and do it with me. Until next time.